Hello, welcome back to Data Dave. I'm Dave. This is the last video in my introduction trilogy. In the next few minutes, I'll demonstrate how I can help save you tens, maybe even hundreds of thousands of pounds in development and support costs. But first, a quick recap. In video 1, I explained how adaptable spreadsheets like Excel can be, and how I can help you fix your niggles, whether you're using them as a simple calculator or for data management. In video 2, we looked at the options you have readily available once Excel has reached its limits and summarised the need for robust governance if you need to hire a developer to deliver a bespoke system, which is where we'll pick up now in video number 3. In video 3, I'll demonstrate how I could help you save thousands in development and ongoing support costs by applying robust quality principles up front. It goes without saying that any development work is going to cost money and time, and that's fine. It's the excess cost that we're trying to avoid. Cost of poor quality is a term widely used in quality assurance circles. It defines the often hidden costs of turning out a poor quality product or service. It also refers to the ongoing cost developers charge to make corrections to a poorly specified system, and the cost of ongoing support for the stuff you can't afford to have fixed. These costs have the potential to rocket out of control. This little graph, time across the bottom, cost up the side, shows how much more time and effort put into the design phase could result in lower development and ongoing support costs. Sadly, the additional cost of developers isn't the only additional cost you'll face. You'll need more internal support too. And whichever solution you go for, whether it's local, off the shelf, or a bespoke build, it's important to know who does what, when they do it, and how they do it. So finally, let's take a very quick look at governance. The greater the complexity, the more important it is to make sure that you have robust governance. This graphic summarises data flow from the source data to the end user. It shows who does what and how issues are handled and escalated. It also demonstrates a continuous improvement loop to feedback improvement requirements to the likes of the developers and the data suppliers. And that's about it for this video, apart from a quick reminder of the benefits of having me on your team. Excel spreadsheets and data management have been my bread and butter job for most of the last 25 years, so my insights could help you save time and money. I'm capable of helping you develop a more robust specification for bespoke developments that could save you tens, maybe even hundreds of thousands of pounds in development and ongoing support costs. To put this into perspective, the last Access database I built was an interim solution. It processed 3.5 million records from around 22 different data sources that didn't speak to each other. And the learning I shared with the developers was estimated to have saved over £250,000 in development costs. Now is to thank you for watching and to point out how you can get in touch. Please do all the usual stuff: subscribe, ding the bell to switch on notifications, and if you like what you've seen, give me a thumbs up. If not, tell me why. You can contact me on my website or via LinkedIn using the links below. And the most important thing is share, because if you don't need me right now, I'm sure there are plenty of people out there who do. So thanks again for watching. This is Dave, signing off from Data Dave. Bye for now.